You know the kind nyama way you suppose for nyama na so the thing dey countryman, countrywoman. Na tori and tori day. We go knock tori for una for palaba ndamba. We go knock tori for una for palaba wait again. Countrywoman for palaba plenty human interest story the way they come for here and some small can story the way if it sweet people for 7 the year. Wait till we go start with the question we plenty people they ask now. We go start with the information. For some race way they be talk say it must have been the domo plenty. And then that is say we don't lost since 63 years today. They don't find he still there alive. In name na Audrey Backenberg. Audrey Backenberg, it be there 20 years. That thing happen. And then they be seeing them say don't lost this and that. Now for 1962, where that one happen. It be married and then he get 2 picking them. And then he be the stay now for Abu Babangai. Now for that side for Abu Babangai for America. For Pittsburgh, for Wisconsin. Didn't you start to tell now a commander for that side for America. He lost since 1962. He been married with mommy for 2 picking there for Wisconsin. And then they finally they know the court book for a massa. Say well, a woman don't disappear how? Say because of violence and this and that. Say don't kill the woman. And then so organization there for Wisconsin really they call and say Wisconsin Missing Person Advocacy. That means say they fight for say people they don't lost when they see them back. They be don't find that woman so they talk say no we know they say the thing don't finish so. Now they don't open the matter again. They start some different inquiry. Now we sheriff in office he come through a communique for the 1st of May. 1st of May we just pass to them say Labor Day. He makes some communique. He say Audrey Backenberg, he did 82 years today, and then they don't find he don't dey now that they don't show he say na Audrey that where they be talk say he don't lost, say sometimes don't quarter. So that remain it be chapum because 20 years married 2 pikin, master the domo he run he go. Now how many years where they 63 years before they can see now so the thing happen. For that side, for Abu Babangai, now for that side, for America, Tonton America. Una know how the thing happen now.